we're here. Where are we?
We've made it. We've made it to D1AA. Is that what the Australian drifting?
Drift week, brother! Here we are!
Well, no, it's not drift week yet, is it? Should have been sleeping.
Oh, were we at the wrong event?
Wrong event? No, I think this one is D1, isn't it?
Nah, bro, wrong event.
Wrong event?
Yeah.
So, it is currently, what is our time? Oh, look at that. That's a flash watch. So, it's 6:30.
Yep.
We are here at Mount Smart. Was that?
20 past.
Oh, 20 past. By the time I finish this intro, it's going to be 6:30. So we're going to pull the...
We're at Mardi Gras.
Oh, you guys are never going to let that one down, are you? Here's Trouble. Oh, he's got his favourite drink. His V.
Fire juice.
So there's there's a couple hours practice today, so we might pull the car out and go out for a couple of laps. So yeah, we might unload the cars and go from there.
What are you doing?
She's cuddling you. Do you not know what a cuddle is?
Lick your face.
That was aggressive. Hey, that was aggressive.
I had to really think carefully because I usually say I'll lick your face.
Man, there's going to be a lot of bleeps in this video.
What do you suck on?
What do you suck? What do you suck on? I don't know. What do you suck on?
You're jammed up against this pole here, bro.
Shimmy it over, bro.
Hold up. Nah, it's this thing here. It's this thing here.
That's the roof. Go forward.
Hello.
What the fuck is that?
What are you drinking?
Gulkin.
Is it already oh! Hold up, cuz. You're about to run me over. I don't think James does ACC for his pit crew. Holy shit.
No ACC around here.
Yep. Whoa. We are on. I don't know if I trust this guy pedaling the car.
Nah, I'm good.
The old golf cart. The old rubies. Cut the 45.
Really?
He's up there.
Oh, yeah, pick the car up.
Yeah.
Used to race back here in high school. It's a quarter mile.
So obviously for you guys that don't know, this is the scrub box, and then the entry's just back over there into the track over here.
And then he stopped me because he's like, who are you? Because there's no D1 stickers on it, So basically guys, we've just got to pretty much finish building the car.
But we've been giving him shit because literally it was like, oh, it's a bit of a wobble, and then old Cuzzy over here is like, bro, your front wheel's wobbling hard. And then James like, oh, that's right, we forgot to change the tie rod from your last drift antics day.
From the antics
Of
day,
course.
when you bent it.
Did I bend it?
Yeah, bro. Before then.
Well, apparently I bent it. I had a driver, I can't remember bending it. Like a reverse entries, bro.
There's only one person to blame.
Blame the black guy, I reckon. we've gone from racetrack to To Kmart.
To do some family shopping.
Family shopping?
Family shopping, we need some clothes.
We need to grab a couple of stuff from here.
Some umbrellas.
Some umbrellas.
Lots of umbrellas.
As you can see, there's some unnecessary buying here.
What do you mean?
Like, what is this? Who bought these? Some stamps.
Oh, you're gonna make them.
Eh?
You're gonna make the machine thing that is stealing.
And then now we've got some chocolate. What? No, the best one is this rubber ducky. Like, what is this? What are we buying rubber duckies for?
351 bucks.
He's complaining about that, and he just finished spending $20,000 on a gearbox.
But he hasn't driven yet.
And it's $36 over here.
Oh, look at that big receipt. Big receipt guy. Alright, chicken. Did you steal my ginger beer? You stole it last time. Maybe I might give you one.
No.
Are you
Don't give him one? Oh, he reckons don't give me one.
Are you actually telling me off?
I am telling you off. Do not steal my ginger beer.
This guy, yeah.
Right, we're stocked up, fam.
At least it was Bundaberg.
Oh, bro. Bundaberg's only for ginger beer. Oh, that just smashed too.
What was in there?
Your sauce thing.
Okay, that was my shit.
Bro, it only took like, we're not even been here for 15 minutes.
Smashing glass too.
15 minutes, my boy.
Sorry, boys.
That's so good. 15 minutes.
What is that? What?
You went for the air fryer? You
Yeah.
went there?
No.
We're upgrading, are we?
We're upgrading.
Yeah,
That's what we got
good,
for the
man.
toilet.
Yeah, oh,
Air fryers are
we upgraded. We're upgraded in the world.
Well, you know, when you're just a slucky bro, you can just get stuff like that.
Do they call it luck or hard work? I'm confused.
Some call it luck.
I'm confused. I call it hard work, but others call it good luck. I'm confused.
That must make you really happy, James. Like with all this, you can only be truly happy.
He's not only a tuner, he is also a cook. Look at him.
Cook.
He's oh chef.
Cook your shit up.
So what's this?
Oh,
What's this? Eh? Bro, I told you about the bleeping.
Oh,
I'll cook you chicken.
So
you already cooked.
apparently he is the man for steak.
oh.
So he's got to touch it.
It's like 3/4 inch thick at that temperature. It's like 4 minutes aside, covered. Full heat.
Oh, that is how you know he is the mad scientist. Not just in the tuning shop, but in the kitchen as well, at that temperature.
Yeah, if you do it, no, it's all about the temperature. The temperature of the steak has a bigger effect on how well it is done in time.